Hi student, today we discuss draw a perpendicular to a line through a point on it by using ruler and set square. This is a line N and a point P. On it, we draw a perpendicular from point P which is perpendicular to line L. In this construction, firstly we draw a line L and take a point P on it. Now place a ruler with one of its edges along L. Hold edge firmly. Place this instrument name is set square and place of set square with one edge to the another edge of ruler and hold firmly and sliding slowly. When it's reached to point P, it's hold and by using pen draw a line. By using pen draw a line and its name is FQ. Then PQ is perpendicular to line L. Here PQ is perpendicular to line L, where P a point on L line. In this regard, its construction same. If draw a perpendicular to a line, throw a point on it by using ruler and compass. In previous construction, we draw a perpendicular line by using set square, but in this construction, we use perpendicular line by using compass if P point on line L. In this construction, firstly take off pointer of compass on point P and draw a semicircle of any radius which intersect of line in two places. Its intersect of this line L is two places. Not more than distance. If we take more than distance, then its intersect line one part but not intersect to another part. So we take a distance according to line and this semicircle intersect of this line in two places if its place name is A and B with same radius PB and PA both are same. Now we take another radius more than half of length of AB. Make a arc and same radius from point B. We try another arc which intersect previous arc at point M, where we join P M. Here PM is perpendicular to AB, where P is line L. Here PM perpendicular to